Hey all, welcome back to Contradicting Utopians. So, this time I'm gonna be reviewing the tab for which we did the unboxing last time, and I'm really happy to see that a lot of people were seeing this video. And I just want to say thank you for all the support, and let's get on to it. So, for starting, I would like to say that I saw that the site was down from which you can find the drivers. So, I'll be putting down the link below for the drivers. I've added it to the Google Drive link and you can download it from there. So, let's talk about the tab now. So, as you can see, as soon as you install the driver, this is what you're going to be seeing. And let's just set up all these. So the first thing you'll see is, so the pen has two buttons. First one is pen and erase, so you can switch between both of these, and the second one is right click. So you can see at the right side there's the click sensitivity. I'll be explaining that, and let's see what these can do. So the bottom button, so if you increase this, you can see you get higher numbers and output is increased, and if you see input is required more according to the graph, and you can see the numbers as well. So this is just the map, and for functions we have around this one dial, and what it can do is these 3-4 options, and basically it'll major advantage of this would be just rotating this, and it can be used for the zoom in of the brush, zoom in of the screen. So there are multiple options, and this is almost the same as we had for the pen buttons. So you can select whether you want keep it the same or you want change. So key one is F5, so I can change it to L for lasso tool in Photoshop, and I can just customize all the 12 buttons. And the 13th one, which is the dial, it can be used for the zoom in of the brush, zoom in of the screen, zoom out for the both simultaneously. And if I talk about my review, I would say this is a pretty good pen, this is a pretty good tablet, but I would say that if you're planning to buy this, I would give it a thumbs up, but you have to take care of it, because I don't know, I'm a first time user of this, but still I realized that the screen, even if I'm using the glove all the time, every time I use it, I can still see some patches on the screen after the use, after 3 weeks of use. So I have to be really careful about the screen, and I don't know if I'm just scared that this will have some problems on a long-term basis. So that's why I'm just saying that if you're buying this, you have to be really sensitive about it, you have to really care of it. And overall, it's a good product, it's a good product for the money you're paying for, and you will enjoy working on it. And I think you should actually try this, and I'll be also adding some of the artwork which I was trying to do, so you'll be able to see some of the starting landscape artworks which I was trying to do. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. It really helps us, it really motivates us, and if you're coming back, thank you for coming back, and please drop a like to the video. I saw that a lot of people are watching but not liking the video, so let's keep the aim for 20 likes, and thank you guys. See you.